The Bubot 300P Robotic Pool Cleaner utilizes advanced Bluehole technology to significantly enhance suction power, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Equipped with DirtLock Tech 2.0, this pool cleaner effectively contains all debris without any leakage, making maintenance straightforward and stress-free. Thanks to its smart sensing capabilities, the Bubot 300P can adeptly navigate your pool, automatically parking itself when the battery is low. The cordless design of the Bubot 300P offers unmatched convenience, allowing for unrestricted movement and extended cleaning sessions of up to 90 minutes. With its robust construction, the Bubot 300P is designed to clean above-ground pools up to 850 square feet, delivering consistent and powerful performance. The Bubot 300P provides peace of mind with its 1-year warranty and around-the-clock customer support, ensuring a reliable and hassle-free ownership experience.